Okay, good day, dear colleagues. Today we will talk about virtual lab and its application on Pearson Realize. Let's choose one of the interactive science programs. So we will scroll until we reach interactive science for grade 4 as an example. Then we choose Quest Labs STEM and Program Resources. After that, you will choose hands-on and virtual labs. Alright, let's pick one of the chapters as an example, chapter 3, electricity. Then, whenever you see this icon, it means that there is a virtual lab activity that you can do here. Alright, so click on it and the activity will start loading here. The first thing that comes to your site here is the instructions about this activity. Okay, you can find the instructions, get to know about the instruction and foundation of the activity, and then you will start here by clicking on the next arrow. In this part, you will have to do what exactly you are told to do, which a circuit design is best for a kitchen, and you will need the gloves in order to do the activity. As we see here, it's virtual lab, so it means that you can interact. I'm holding the gloves in order to remove the middle bulb here. It's removed. As we see, you will notice that the next button is highlighted in orange, which means that, okay, you have done the first part. Click next and see what else you can do here. Add another bulb to the series circuit as shown in the image at the top. Alright, so I want to add this using what? Using the cables here, the connections. So I will remove this one and then I will put this one here, other one here, and then I will connect this. So it's done. Of course, the students will consume much time more time than I do now for trial and error and trial until they master the exercise and the practice. Click next. Do the following one. This type of circuit is called the parallel circuit, whatever. So it paves the way by adding the foundation of the practice, okay, or the activity. So we will remove the middle bulb, okay, hold the gloves, remove it, okay, it's highlighted, means that you can move now to the next step. Now add another bulb. What to do? Okay, we want to make it parallel. So you see which design is best for kitchen. So let's connect one here. Okay, let's remove first this one. Let's get this one here. And the other side. No, other side is here. Let's get this one here. No, possibly it will be here. And this. Okay. Trial will lead to understanding. Okay. Right. Here. This is here. And this is here. There's something missing. All right, so students will, of course, they will encounter what we are doing as teachers. They are practicing, yes. And here we go. Finally, you will get this message telling you that good work, press the button arrows. I pretended that I'm a student and I am doing the trial and the trial phase, the trial and error one. So at the end, you will get this great or good work message, meaning that you have completed this. And finally, students will have to type in here what they have seen, what they have found so far. All right? I hope this video was illustrative and explaining the details about the virtual lab. Thanks for watching. Future Education team wishes you all the best. Good luck.